Welcome folks to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making hash brown breakfast cups. Something that you can throw together and eat for breakfast. They're fast to take with you if you want to eat on the go. They freeze well, and I'm going to show you how to cook them. I thawed a 20-ounce bag of hash browns, and that's what we're using. We're going to put them in here. I've sprayed my pan with cooking spray. I'm going to make little cups out of them. I got my oven preheating to 400 degrees. I'm just going to push it up and push it down so you'll have a little cup to put your ingredients in. I've already browned a pound of sausage. Now this sausage is a sausage with maple syrup in it, but you can put any sausage, or you can cook bacon or ham, whatever you want. Now this is a half a cup measuring cup that I'm using. Like a little bowl. So you'll be able to put you'll be putting sausage and cheese, egg mixture in here. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And our oven is 400. And we'll bake them 25-30 minutes. So put them in the oven. I've taken the hash browns out of the oven. They were in there for 25 minutes. They're nicely brown. Now we're going to put the filling in. I've got 8 eggs here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all them 8 eggs. And then I got a half a cup of milk. And probably a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. We'll mix that up. I'm going to take my meat, put in my little cups. Press it so it'll go in there. And everybody's got something in there. And we'll take our cheese and put So it looks like everybody's got something in the pool. So that was 8 eggs and a half a cup of milk. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of smoked sausage on top. We're going to lower our temperature to 350 and we're going to put them in there for 12 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to bring them out and show you what they look like. We're back. We've got them out of the oven. They were in there for about 12 minutes. And so we've been letting them sit here and cool off about 10. So let's see what they look like. They smell so good. You can smell that maple sausage and the cheese and the hash browns. These are great hash brown breakfast cups. They're convenient. All you have to do is just grab it and go. You're on your way to work or school or wherever. Just heat them up in the microwave and you got breakfast all in one handful. I hope you try them. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and God bless. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel.